Welcome to SO 305, Lecture 1, Meaning and Uses of Statistics. Introduction. Statistics deals with the collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation of data, leading to usable information. It is a collection of information in the form of data, evaluating it and drawing conclusions from it. It's against this background that this lecture looks at the meaning and uses of statistics in everyday life experience. Objectives. At the end of this lecture, you should be able to 1. Explain the meaning of statistics. 2. State the uses of statistics in everyday life and discuss what X and E stands for. Pre-test. What do you mean by statistics? Why do you need statistics for your daily activities? Content. Meaning of statistics. Statistics dates back to the beginning of man. History has it that rulers, that is chiefs, obas, obis, and so on, obtained numerical facts about number of people in their domains so as to aid the planning and administration of their societies. The biblical instance of the use of statistics was when Moses and David were commissioned to number their people. The publication of Grant on Natural and Political Observation in 1662 on Mortality and Political Observation was a step towards a scientific method of statistics in the social sciences. Decisions are made on the basis of available information, otherwise called data. According to Spiegel, 1961, statistics is the scientific procedure for collecting, compiling, analyzing, summarizing, interpreting, and presenting information in numerical form with a view to making valid inferences and decisions. Importance of statistics in everyday life. A. The development of statistics shows that many aspects of human progress depend on the correct analysis of numerical information, particularly in economics and business. B. Rational decisions are better taken if numerical figures are considered rather than taking decisions based on hunches. C. It is helpful in making calculated predictions. D. It is used to pass to the public or users some useful information. 3. Some selected statistical terminologies or symbols. A. Population. This is the totality of the objects, living or non-living, which is countable in a defined area of interest. B. Sample. A sample is a subject of the population, that is a subset, part of the population selected. It is representative of the whole population. C. Sampling. This is the process of selecting a representative from the larger population. D. X, called bar X. This is the arithmetic mean of the values of that variable. E. F. This stands for frequency. That is the number of times a given value occurs in a collection of figures. F. N. This stands for the number of items or pairs of items in a collection of figures. G. E. Also called sigma. This means the sum of and simply indicates that the numbers following it should be added. H. R is equal to. This stands for coefficient of correlation. I. Data. This is measurement that is made up the subject of an experiment. Usually, data consists of the measurement of the dependent variable. Data as originally measured are often referred to as raw or original scores. J. Variable. A variable is any property or characteristics of some event, object, or person that may have different values at different times depending on the conditions. K. Independent variables. These are variables that are systematically manipulated by the investigator. L. Dependent variables. These are variables that the investigator measures to determine the effect of the independent variables. Summary. In this lecture, you have been acquainted with different definitions of statistics, uses of statistics in everyday life, and the terminologies or symbols to be employed throughout this course. We have come to the end of study session 1. Thanks for listening.